The Art of Anticipation. Mastering Predictions in Reading Comprehension. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a critical component in the process of improving our reading comprehension skills, the art of making predictions. Yes, you heard that right. Making predictions is not just for weather forecasts or sports games. It's also a powerful tool in reading comprehension. So, let's dive into it. A prediction in reading comprehension is simply an educated guess or inference about what will happen next in the text you're reading. It's about anticipating the possible outcomes or ideas that may come up as you continue reading. By making predictions, you actively engage with the text, which makes reading a more interactive, enjoyable, and insightful process. Making predictions helps you to engage more deeply with the text by mentally preparing you for what's to come. It turns reading from a passive into an active process. By thinking ahead, you can connect what you're reading to your previous knowledge, your life experiences, and your logic. This allows you to better understand and remember what you read. Making predictions starts with paying close attention to the details in the text. Look for clues in the title, headings, and the introductory paragraph. Use the information you've gathered from these sections to predict what might come next. The next step is to continuously check and update your predictions as you read further. This involves asking questions like, "What do I think will happen next?" and "How does the new information I've just read affect what I thought would happen?" By constantly questioning and adjusting, you'll find that your reading becomes much more engaging. The best way to get better at making predictions is to practice. Try this with a variety of texts, novels, news articles, and even poems. Start small, perhaps with a paragraph or a short story. Predict what you think will happen next, then read on to see if your predictions were correct. The more you practice, the more naturally making predictions will come to you. And there we have it. You're now well equipped with a strong understanding of what making predictions in reading comprehension entails and why it's so valuable. Remember, the key to mastering this skill is practice, practice, and more practice. Happy reading, everyone, and may your adventures in literature be full of insightful predictions. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.